This is all our property. Here's a wildflower for you.
Everybody seems to be having a lazy Sunday.
Yeah, you can tell it's a holiday. It was hilarious. There was water all over because it was above ground. She's so proud of that. A long distance, you know? And when my mom answered, she was out of breath. And I said, "What are you breathing so hard for?" She said, "Oh, me and Dad were just dancing."
Did you read the paper?
I guess so.
You're welcome. Oh, it is nice out here, isn't it? Yeah, the weather's a lot cooler.
Smile.
Meet Miss America. I don't know how to pose.
Want to see what you look?
Please go with the one, two, there.
That's not true.
It isn't?
Nope. That's not true. That's not true. Hey, Mac, look up here. You're on candid camera.
Yeah, that's you.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Okay. Go. Go.
What are you doing? You're so mean.
Come on.
I got all of it.
Be sorry.
Oh, God. This is
Must be jelly, 'cause jam don't stick like that.
Oh, my God, you.
In front of you.